And Mind Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful day. And the title of the video is this the proof? Please subscribe, but please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. Remember to hit that like button because you'll be doing me a massive favor. Remembering none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and any of the information provided in this video should never be used as a signal to buy or to sell. So first and foremost, we look at the crypto bubbles. We can see we're down 3 ranks to 53. Market cap of $1.22 billion with a 24-hour volume of $18 million. Currently sitting at that price of $101. And the market is looking rather green. And we are up 0.2% in the hour, up 0.1% in the day, and down 2.6% in the week. But we are up 2.7% still in the month. But we move over to CryptoQuant, where we can see the exchange reserves. As we can see, there is still this gap. We want this gap to widen, because at the moment we've got a value of 1.387 million on exchanges at the moment, but we can see this general trend of the exchange reserves slowly coming down, and we want to see this continuing all the way down so that we can start to see somewhere along the line that supply shock. I believe it comes at around the 1 million mark, that psychological number. And I think once we start to dip below that, I think we're going to see, hopefully, a rush for the coin. But we can also see over the last couple of days, the overall net flow is also, we can see that slowly coming down to this value here, which, as I said, is 1.387. And we've got slightly up today, around 2,279 coins going into the exchange. We want this to be minus and not plus, and that's really positive. But as we can see, it's up and down. So this value here, I'm not so bothered about at the moment because it's peaks and troughs. Now, some interesting information I put out over the weekend. Now, this is, again, there's a lot of speculation. There is much speculation and circulation of why Coinbase could be storing quant in private wallets. Now, CB and BlackRock, it's no news really because we already knew about this, could be a plausible reason given the size of the transactions and wallets. And I noted here, Coinbase is partnering with BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, to provide institutional clients of Aladdin, BlackRock's end-to-end investment management platform, with direct access to crypto, starting with Bitcoin through connectivity with Coinbase Prime. Now, if we go over here and we have a look at the full article, and it says here, built for institutions, Coinbase Prime integrates advanced agency trading, custody, prime financing, and staking infrastructure, data reporting that supports the entire transaction lifestyle. We combine these capabilities with leading security, insurance, and compliance practices to provide institutional clients of Coinbase with a full service platform to access crypto markets at scale. Coinbase's clients include hedge funds, asset allocators, financial institutions, corporate treasuries, and other institutions. And it says here, our scale, experience, and integrating product offering represented what BlackRock believes to be a logical partner for Aladdin. Our institutional clients are increasingly interested in gaining exposure to digital asset markets and are focused on how efficiently to manage the operational lifestyle of these assets, says Joseph Shalom, Global Head of Strategic Ecosystem Partnerships at BlackRock. The connectivity with Aladdin will allow clients to manage their Bitcoin exposures directly in their existing portfolio management and trading workflows for a whole portfolio view of risk across asset classes. The Coinbase partnership between BlackRock and Aladdin is an exciting milestone for our firm as the trusted partner enabling institutions to participate and transact in the crypto economy. We are committed to pushing the industry forward and creating new access points as institutional crypto adoption continues to rapidly accelerate. We are honored to partner with an industry leader and look forward to furthering Coinbase's goal of providing greater access and transparency to crypto. Now, this is very, very interesting, which I'm going to get onto in a moment, so bear with me. We can also see this article from CoinGate. And the bit I'm interested in here, Coinbase's institutional backing. While Coinbase could be in a formidable position come the spot Bitcoin ETF approval, the many institutional investors in the company would stand to benefit from US SEC approval. According to Nasdaq data, the likes of BlackRock, Vanguard, Morgan Stanley, and Cathie Wood's ARK Investment are among the top companies that hold shares in the US-based crypto exchange Coinbase. Among the 682 institutional holders invested in the company, Vanguard Group alone owns as much as 13.21% of shares, while BlackRock owns 7.82% of shares. Also, the exchange could have an added advantage of managing the potential of spot ETF custody services. Now, so Coinbase has become a very interesting exchange for institutions. Now, we note this because I've been putting out tweets with regards to certain big buys. And obviously, these big buys are mainly, as we see here, from Coinbase. So I put out, so this one here was 2K Quant entered this wallet today. Some new speculation is exchanges are now storing QNT in private wallets. And again, we see here, having reached 150K wallet holders, we've also seen an increase of nearly 3,000 wallets in the last month. I've seen tweets asking what counts as recognized wallets. That would be any wallet that holds any amount of quant. But again, as we can see here, again, this particular wallet only holds quant. And I'm seeing this quite often throughout. Now, there are around probably 5 or 6 wallets now that are fairly new as well, but are accumulating from Coinbase. They are new wallets and they only hold quant. Now, is it that Coinbase are preparing, are slowly accumulating quant because there is that institutional adoption at some point? They're storing it away, ready for that adoption come full regulation. Now, that could be the case. This is only speculation because we don't know. But again, lots of people are discussing this. Is this a ploy? Is this a play to be ready for when those regulations come in? It's very, very interesting. And for me, very, very positive towards quant because if they're holding it, and we know as the percentage wise of certain institutional asset managers are slowly aligning themselves with Coinbase, Coinbase now slowly squirreling some of these coins away. Are these Coinbase wallets? Is the big question. They could be private wallets of private holders, but as I'm seeing, there are many wallets that are just literally new and buying from Coinbase and just holding them. Are these Coinbase's wallets? That's the big question. But I think we're going to see that as time goes on, we're going to start to see, and this hopefully will come to some element of fruition where we find out. So we can also see this gradual increase in wallet holders. We are now up to 150,204 and slowly increasing. As we see, that increase is slowly ramping up as we continue. So there you go, guys. Looking quite positive in my eyes, but again, all speculation. Remembering none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am here to help connect the dots and allow you to go away and do your own research before investing any money into crypto. Because remember, it could all go to zero. We know that it is a gamble in some respects, but we are here. If you are here, you are one of the few in this crypto market at the moment. We're hoping for some rise in the markets as we see regulation and compliance come in. So there you go, guys. All the best, and I'll catch you later.